Good morning from Inside Just Jane. We are Monday the 28th of February 2002. How do you like the mood lighting? Excellent, isn't it? So I'm sat in a WOPS position. I thought I'd give you guys an update on the Lecky situation. And so we're more or less back to the original wiring. So I'll just swap camera positions and I'll show you. Okay, so here we have, let me just get a bit of light on it. There we have the master fuse panel is all back in now. Taff has rewired it, it's done an excellent job. And you'll notice gone now is the grey plastic box that was down there that had all the circuit breakers in. The idea being, of course, that we're going back to original, not as it was cobbled together just to get it running. So yeah, so we're in there. We're down to 2 ammeters now because we're only going to be dealing with DC generation on the aircraft, not AC, so we don't need the 2 outboard ones. And I'll just open the fuse panel and I'll show you what's inside. Oh, sorry about that, flashy lights, oh dear. Let me just shuffle about. Well, there we go. These are sometimes a bit of a pain. There we go. There we go. So what we've got then is, because we don't need all them connecting, so we're working from the bottom up. So we've rerouted it. So what we have, we're starting at 1 down there, and if we need them, we've got plenty up there. So as you can see, it's a lot less. We still have the infamous fuse 8 is in there, which is more or less in the middle of the row. As you can see, we now have a legend that means something, very simplified wiring there, and because not all the circuits are going to be reconnected, so we need very little in the way of wiring in here. As the systems grow in the aircraft, so we've got plenty of room to expand. So at the moment, everything that's working on the aircraft is wired in, and we've already tested it this morning and it all works a treat. So there we go. So progress on Just Jane, we're getting somewhere. Master fuse panel's been rewired, it's back in. We've got rid of this abomination that was there, and yeah, everything's looking groovy. So yeah, so I hope you're having a jolly time wherever you are, and from here inside Just Jane, goodbye for now, take care, and no doubt we'll see you guys again at some point in 2022. Bye for now.